Features of iPhones in future. Improved camera technology with advanced features such as low light performance and optical zoom. Increased storage capacity with options for up to 1 TB. Improved battery life and fast charging capabilities. Enhanced security features such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. Integration with other smart devices such as home appliances and cars. Introduction of new augmented reality and virtual reality applications. Increased integration with other Apple devices and services such as the Apple Watch and iCloud. Improved Siri with more advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. Introduction of 5 grams connectivity for faster internet speeds. Improved waterproofing and dust resistance for increased durability. Flexible or foldable OLED display. Improved power efficiency with new chip technology. Advancement in AI and machine learning with more advanced and integrated neural engine. Increased focus on privacy and security with more advanced encryption and biometric authentication. Introduction of new sensors such as LiDAR and motion sensor. Improved display resolution and refresh rate. Advanced haptic feedback. Improved sound quality with surround sound and noise cancellation. More advanced and precise location tracking. Introduction of new gesture control or touchless interface.